Ki samla kidei ka jingdon jingem jong ka imlang sahlang bat ki samla ki hab ban sngo thu yalade ka ka jing sngo tenat ka jingkut jingmut bat ka thong jongki bakin bu hakhmat khnang bakin la ban ya chaprang ha ka jingem jongki ya kini lapan pau do Myntri ketenat pulih putih ke Sorkar Jela Umala Kemen Rumbui habawan penhap perdano ia ka tayau lek Kemen ne College Week jong ki samla pulih ka Nong Talang College Amlarem Civil Subdivision West Giant Hills District haka jingelang ka belalong ha building themai jong ka college haka arpusau terik geber haba peteng ye ke jingkren Umala Kemen Rumbui ulaong ya umau nong rim jong ka Nong Talang College labu da uled salseng si marak bat kala shimpor pelat laipos nem ban poi syaka jaka kaba pura. Ulaong ke Jela Meghalaya kala kiubha ha ke jingdon jong ki samla bat ka sorkar ka kuak babaro kin no senyang syaka imlang sahlang ha kenu kedur kaba kila. Haba kyntu ki samla puli ulaong ki don shibun ki sab baburi ha ki samla. Nengkong ki samla puli ki hab ban sngo thu yalade ka ka jing sngo tenat ka jingkut jingmut bat ka thong baki bu hakhmat khnang bakin la ban ya shaprang ha ka jing im jongki ulaong ru bakum ki samla puli ki dei ban long ki bayai sha ya ka jing bat ki jing tunju ha ka jing im henry kita kim dei ban long ki daw ka jing sha rem bat kyntu ru ban penlong daw ya ka jingduk jingkerdu henry ban trei shitom kumba ka sorkar ka yarap lengba ka scholarship ka baki khna kim dei ban penlut kai henry ban yo part ban kershan ya ka bai puli ke jongki katba u principal ka college Dr. RR Kharkongor ula pentip ba ha usnam baladep kila thumu ban penlong ya ka college week hapo ka college barim henry larai part ban penlong ha ubnai leber ha ka college bethmai Bunsin ong ban kenriak no syaka college ke Butmai, Henry kata kamsyam la jasatya. Kumta khaduk khadwai menta usnem ngilarai bang ngimla syuk ban aidau bat ngilarai ban kenriak no naka college berim syaka Butmai ong principal.
Education today is a very dynamic, as I used to say time and again. But you, the young mind, we know that in the state of Meghalaya, we have a very high percentage of young population. And we want that all this young mind to be the assets to the society, more importantly, to contribute in whatever form they can. But you have to prepare yourself. Many of you don't know what to do in the future, and what you will do, and what type of journey you will undertake. The most important thing is that because we don't know who we are. So my dear friend, first of all, who are you? You have to understand. When I talk about who are you, in you, there are many things. There are many talents which is hidden in you. First and foremost, you have to understand yourself. What is passion, your passion? What is your determination? And what is your cherished goal? This is very, very important so that you can move ahead in life. And as I said, life is not very easy. The journey is not long. It takes 32 years, 33 years for the college since its foundation, laying foundation stone till date to reach a beautiful campus here. For you also that journey, it is long. But having said that, no journey is long enough if you have the courage in yourself that yes, I know what to do, I know what I want to do, and I know what is my cherished goal. Because what will help you in life? Education and life skills. So develop these life skills. What is your passion? What you want to do? That is very, very important. And the other thing which I want to say, that sometimes the youth of today think that, oh, this government, what is the government is doing? The government is neglect because we didn't get job. My dear friend, you have to prepare yourself. the government of Meghalaya, under the leadership of Conrad K. Sharma, we have invested huge amount of money for education sector. For your information of the student, 2024-25, only salary we paid at Nong Talang College is 4 crore plus. Only scholarship to the student about 27 lakh. 4.5 lakh, 4 crore 550 lakh. We invest in the Nong Talang College for whom? For you. The amount of investment which the government invested. So it's up to you. And we open an opportunity. How? Some of you will know, oh, we are very poor. We cannot pay our fees. My dear friend, fees is never paid fully by you. I'm talking about who are within the income limit. You know, in 2018, how much the student gets per year? Ma Ernest will know. Less than 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,000. But now, till 45,000. And who benefit? Is the college. That's why that day, when we have a meeting with the principal of government college, I told you, raise your fees. Raise your fees. But take 50 or 70%, take the fees which you take every year, take this year. Let the student pay the fees after they get the scholarship. So that the college, Kiamnamba Government College, about 3,000 students. If they increase by 10,000, which will not pay by the student, only paid by the government only, because post-matric scholarship, I mean 3 crore extra will come to that college. And with this 3 crore, they don't need money for excursion, they don't need money for development, they don't need money from the government to introduce new course for the student. The other thing which I want to say, that I'm very happy that this year on the 16th of January 2026, I'm very thankful to the Honorable Cabinet. It started in my mind in 2018 when I took over education. I have seen skills education introduced after class 10. So what to do? And the skills they introduce, it is based what type of the school want. Then I told since that day, why not we give freedom to the student? So I'm very happy. I'm very thankful to Honorable Cabinet that they approve that we will introduce from class 6 onwards the community integrated learning, skills learning, CISL, from class 6 to class 10. What do it mean? And that carries a map. In class 10, 50% of the health and physical education map will be that subject. Why we want to use that? We want that every student should have some basic skills with education so that they will empower them more. So these are the new initiatives which the government is embarking upon for the betterment of education. Every youth, every people, everywhere in the Meghalaya, why not the government set up the college somewhere? Why not the government set up high secondary school somewhere? What type of government is this who never take care? When we handhold for Nong Talang College, 4 crore we spent, only 200 students, and 2 lakh per student. This the government spend here to educate you. Why not the enrollment in the other college will be that much? Why only Kiamnamba? Do these teachers are not qualified? They are all qualified faculty. They can teach anywhere and everywhere. They was appointed through the proper process. But everyone to go to Kyangmangba. Everybody want to go to Shillong. Nowadays, Shillong or Jawai or Nongtalang, there's no difference. If you use the tools, the right tools, there are many tools. If you use the right tools to gain more knowledge. Do you know, till 2018, how many government college in Meghalaya? Only 6. Tura, Vijayanagar, Bagmara, Sora, Kyangmangba, and B.Ed College. And after 2018, how many? The government, MDA government under leadership of Conrad K. Samla, Hakhmat, Mauplang, Rongjen, Captain Williamson Sama University, the Shillong Engineering College. This year we start the College of Architecture and Urban Planning in Tura. The construction of a government college in Mountain Road is going on. Construction of government college in Jalaphet is going on. In these 8 years, more than 8 college we established. And before 2018, how many college they get grant from the government? 18 or 19, maximum in Shillong. But 2018 till date, only People's College, how many? 21. See the difference, how much we invest. Sometimes the youth of today, oh, the government is not doing anything. Introspect and look yourself. We are addressing that now. We finish to do the accessibility. Now we see how to bring up the quality. And it's side by side the skills. So my dear friend, you are very lucky to come to Nongtong College. I used to tell the people, if you go to Nongtong College, it's like going for a tuition. Because each and every faculty here, in 1 week they will know you, your name, your mother's name, everything they will know of you. But in other college, 4 years you will spend, you cannot. Nobody will recognize you, especially the backbench. So my dear friend, you are very, very lucky. I have seen, as we said from day one, 2018, that education is our top priority. We try to reform, we try to resolve one by one. So my dear, and don't have the inferiority complex always. You are very unique, very, very unique. Because everybody, they have a different characteristic and they have a different gift of God and different usefulness. So go out from this campus with a full confidence in your mind that yes, I conquer with the degree I get from Nongtong College, I can conquer the world. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
When we were supposed to have the college week, and we were planning to have our college week in the old campus. But we decided last year that no, we will not have our college week in the usual way in the month of October or November. We decided that our college week should be held in the month of March, just like most other colleges are doing. So we have decided to do that, and also we decided that since we are deciding to have the college week in the month of March, we will have the college week in the new campus. And that is why, that was also a reason we have managed to shift to this campus. It was not an easy thing to do, but we have finally managed to make a decision to shift to this campus and occupy this campus. Because for many years we have been saying we will be shifting to the new campus soon. We will be shifting soon, but that never happened. So finally, eventually this year, we have decided we cannot make excuses anymore, and we have decided to shift here. So I'm glad that we have shifted here, and I'm happy that we are able to have the college week in this new campus. There are many things that are not in place, and when we first decided to have the college week, we were not very certain. We thought that we would not be able to hold the college week here because we would not be able to hold the college week because everything was not in place. We didn't have a hall, we did not have proper roads, we did not have network. There were so many shortcomings. So we really had our doubts. And even the students, at the beginning their attendance was very low. So we thought we may not be able to have the college week. But eventually the Students' Council, I'm happy that you have got your act together and that you have managed to come and to organize this event. I understand that some of the events were held here, some were held in the old campus, some were held in the field in Nongtalang. As I said earlier, there are a lot of things that are not yet in place and we are still struggling. We are still trying to manage in this new campus. But anyway, I'm glad that the Students' Council has managed to organize this event, and I'm also glad that the Students' Council has managed to call the Education Minister of the state for this program, which is not an easy thing to do. So I hope that you all have enjoyed the last few days of the college week, and I hope that you have good programs planned today, and I wish you all the very best for the rest of the day today. And going forward also, I just want to say that we will continue to have the college week in the month of March, and I hope that in the future years we will be more prepared. Our football field should be ready soon. Our auditorium that you see over there, the repair work has started, the construction work is going on, and I hope that very soon other facilities in the college will be ready so that the entire college week can be held in this one campus and students don't have to go from here to the village just for football or for other events. Okay, so with these few words, I wish you all the best and I hope that you have a wonderful day today.